Welcome back to our series all about creating an influencer media kit with Wix. Since a lot of your collaborators will be more likely to view your influencer media kit site with their phones, it's essential that we optimize our site for mobile devices to ensure a smooth user experience no matter what device they're on. Let's start. On the Wix editor, click on the mobile icon at the top. This switches from the desktop view to the mobile view. Everything will be out of place the first time you switch to mobile view, so arrange your elements neatly. Make sure that your texts are just the right size as well, not too big, not too small, and it should just stay consistent for a uniformed look. Also ensure that your buttons are clickable with a thumb instead of being too small and can only be clicked on by a stylus. And as always, don't forget to click save once you're done to make sure that the changes you've made to your site will be saved. And that's it. By optimizing your Wix influencer site for mobile devices, you'll ensure that potential sponsors and collaborators have a seamless browsing experience, no matter where they're viewing it from. If this video helped, hit like, subscribe, and click the notification bell so you don't miss the next step. See you in the next video, and thanks for watching.